What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. Episode 7 of the Chaos Daily. How is everybody? Some difficult things happening at the moment. I don't really want to get into it, but I do just want to point out this guy. It's a serious matter, right? All joking aside, this is a serious problem. Anyways, this channel is not about politics. It is about creative stuff and doing engineering. So we're going to do some of that. I'm going to jump into Inventor. I'm going to do some work on something. You guys are going to get a time lapse. Put your comments down below right now, pause right now, go put your comments down below of what you think it is I'm going to work on. And at the end of it, the person who got closest, they'll get a mention in the next video. I don't know. I don't have stuff to give out. I'm poor. All right, let's get into Inventor. And there you have it. That was about, what, hour and 5 minutes work. Nice little short bit of work on that. I've been burning out on the Draco. All the work that's ahead of me now is really tedious work. It is really just, it's grind. There's not much more fun in like creating new parts or developing anything. So it's all just head down, bum up work. So I just needed a break from that, something to take my mind off it, just relax a bit, have a bit of fun. I love making freeform designs like that. So it was just a little bit of a sidetrack for me. So we're going to work on this Long Easy, by the way. If you haven't guessed, it is going to be the Chaos Long Easy. It's going to be my own interpretation of Bert Rutan's Long Easy. Bert Rutan, I'm a big fan of his work. The man made hundreds, if not 1,000-ish aircraft designs throughout his career. So that guy's a legend. If you don't know who Bert Rutan is, go look him up. He's a legend. He's seriously a legend. So yeah, I'll work on that again tomorrow on the next Chaos Daily, maybe. We'll see. I'm going to work on these sort of side project designs on and off, so don't expect regular updates. However, this one will be set up for both resin and plastic printing. This is going to be the simple plane. This is the one I've been talking about, and it will probably be ready before the Draco is ready. So you guys can be excited about that. You can get a Chaos plane. So yeah, go check out my Twitter, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, go check out my Patreon if you can. That'd be really helpful. I've been Chaos, and as always, expect the unexpected. I'll see you guys next time. And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.